afternoon, everyone. My name is Danny. I'm going to read Three Angels. Three Angels. It's a cold winter night. The village falls asleep. The wall is white. All you can see is snow. These three angels fly to the village from the sky. And they are not tolerant of flowers. Everything about them is tiny. Tiny cars and tiny tools. These three angels ride by over the road. Red car angels love baby. He flies to the windows to see sleeping baby. He blows bubbles to the baby, so the baby have sweet dreams. Yellow car angels love flowers. He touch flowers. All flowers wake up from their sleep. Green car angels love animals. He flies to the bombs to see them. He talks to pigs, hens, dogs, and the goats. The animals come out to play. These three angels fly back to the sky before the sun rises. No one knows the night is different. Thank you.